Welcome, dear listener, to another captivating episode of our design journey. Today we are diving headfirst into the intriguing world of Melk Coffee Bar, a story that's weaves the intricate thread of design thinking, necessity, and aesthetics into a remarkable tapestry. Picture a challenging space, one that not only needed to align seamlessly with an existing brand, but also set the stage for future expansion. A triangular floor plan with a curved wall that's tapered down to a mesh to fit wide introduced a rigorous test of design ingenuity. It's what here. That a production line style approach was adopted, proudly showcasing select machine while creating a consumer path that encouraged exploration and interaction between employees and patrons. But why? There's more to this story. Tables need a culture stand tall, perched on platforms, wide bench, strict, and the limit of ergonomic design to maximize the space capacity. Ultimately offering a roomy embrace for up to 24 guests. The original cramped space were a far cry from what it would become. When it comes to aesthetics, the design philosophy focused on timelessness, emphasizing the beauty of raw material within a restricted color palette. The narrow narrowing ends of the space were transformed into a backstore, revealing a treasure trove of architectural detail, raw concrete, lumbing, and 14-foot-high ceilings. The clever use of light paint, ceramics in unconventional ways, and the warmth of wood breathed life into the design, offering a serene and organic ambience. As we conclude our journey into the depth of Melk Coffee Bar, we are reminded of the incredible truth and creativity that often go into aspects of design that might easily be overlooked. Every curve, every top, and every slick machine, thoughtfully placed on display, each contributing to the story of this remarkable transformation.